Many felt that they are the undesirables, the people that will never amount to anything. We were able to help many inmates who needed a way out, and some just wanted to get some advice on how to make better of their life, how to be able to gain the respect and be responsible and start anew. I can't congratulate enough Mr. Yisrayl Hawkins for his program. If it wasn't for him, these people will probably have difficulty finding answers and a solution on how to deal with some of their problems. I congratulate Mr. Yisrayl Hawkins for being a part of our community and being a part of our lives, because without you, we couldn't make a difference in our community.
It seems so sad at first, but it's a perfect plan to save all of mankind from the sins of man. I created righteousness so we can all live in peace. For you to fully learn, I allow Satan and her gods to teach. Each sin they taught you to practice was a lesson in sorrow and strife. As your sins increase, sickness no more.